One of our more recent projects and concepts that we're coming up with is near and dear to my heart, and that is finding creative and innovative ways to rebuild Fort Myers Beach. So in September of 2022, our community was annihilated by Hurricane Ian. We lost 100% of the businesses, 90% of the structures were damaged pretty significantly. What we've been looking at over the past couple years is how do we find a way to keep the construction costs down and to speed up the time it takes to finish a project. And that process from start to finish, from the time you hire the architect, is about 2 years. A couple weeks ago, we went to the first couple proof of concepts. There's a way to build a house in a factory that uses all the same construction materials as you would in the field. So it's quality construction, it's using the same materials, and it can take 21 days to take a 1,700 square foot house through a factory, put them on trucks, and ship them out to the field. And a couple weeks ago, we had a house that was being put together, and it literally took 3.5 hours to take the 4 modules to build this 1,700 square foot house, to take them on a crane, lift them up, attach them to the house, and 3.5 hours later, Mo had a house, which is pretty dang awesome. So those signs of hope and energy and life and resilience, that's pretty awesome.